Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do an unboxing and review of my new tripod that I got. So my other one I was using working with my GoPro. I had it set up out here when I was doing some different things down by my shed, and had the little pug out with me, and he with his leash wrapped around the camera, the whole thing fell over, busted, and I tried gluing it, fixing it, and it just yeah, no matter what glue I used. So I first did a JB Weld, that didn't hold, so then I used some Gorilla Glue that looked like it was holding better, but then it busted open. So I was like, all right, time to just break down and get a new tripod. So this one, actually, I like all the features of this, so we'll check it out here. So it's some off-brand, I don't know. It says it's a camera tripod. It's the VCT 5499. I got this one specifically for a couple of features, and I'll show you those here. Get this opened up here. Oh, so it comes in a nice little carry pouch. That's nice. So yeah, I actually like that. I don't think I've had a tripod that had a carry pouch before. Maybe I did. Just probably just, you know how those get discarded or put to the side, then you're like, find it later. It's like, oh, I wonder what this pouch goes to. It's typically how it goes. This actually has some weight. I was always a little hesitant about buying these off the line because you can't really check the quality, and it's a lot of it's, you know, cheap Chinese plastic, which almost everything comes from China, whether it's cheap or not. But been pretty impressed with some of the things that come from China. So this is actually bigger round tube than I thought, so I like that. This looks like it's going to be great for my purpose. So it's got these 3 arms. This thing's invertible, and so you hear this clicks. So it's got different degrees of positions, default positions. So this is just the lower level. So it's got the boom. It's got 3 extenders. I think this goes up to like 72 or 75 inches overall. But so it not only has the single pole extensions, but it's also got 2 leg extensions too. So it'll get pretty dang tall. But the thing I like about this one in particular is that when you have this out and about, if you're on, you know, if you're windy, whatever, you can put these out flat, get them to lock in. Right? And so it'll be a nice wide-legged area and so you don't have to worry about the thing tipping over. So no heavy wind or anything can cause it to tip over. It's got a little wireless, and it's on a lanyard too, that you can use to Bluetooth to start and stop your recordings. And then yeah, it's got these for the upper part. Of course, it's got the little dial here so you can spin it around, and then it's got the typical screw camera adapter there. So this you can put on a camera. It's got an adapter here for a cell phone, and it looks like it's even got a little charging thing for your remote. But so I like this because this thing is also invertible. Let me figure out how that works. So that's tightened on there like that. So then let's put this down. So see how that looks like that. That's awesome. And then again, you could extend those legs out so it give you very wide, but you don't have to worry about this thing tipping over at all. I really like that feature. And then there's a picture where it shows this thing can be inverted. Oh, I see, you can tighten this. There you go. So you tighten that. So then look at this. If you want to get a very low to the ground shot, right? So you could do something like that. And so you get very low, a very low position type of shot. And again, this just loosens up like so to give you that. So that's a pretty neat feature. Otherwise you can just put this back in there like that, tighten that up. So that's there. So I think it's a really very versatile tripod. And I'm not sure exactly what I paid for it. Wasn't like super expensive. You can see it'll get plenty tall for the shots that you want. Let's see how tall that gets. So it's like, it's pretty awesome. So I am very happy with this thing. I think it's definitely a worthwhile purchase. And might want to get me a second one of these, because I've got this GoPro, and then of course I've got this DJI Nano. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. So I'll put the link below on where I got this on Amazon, so you can pick yours up. And again, it was like less than 40 bucks, I believe. So I think I like this a lot. So I'll give this one a thumbs up. And so I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more videos with this thing. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And if you like this t-shirt, you can get that on my primitiveguide.com website. I've got a lot of First Amendment, Second Amendment apparel. So yeah, check that out, and we'll catch you on the next one.